The last Olandiwo had excellent speakers who came in from everywhere in the world, both locally and internationally. And we got the inside scoop on some of the biggest and most important issues that were happening that year. The biggest and brightest and best that Igbo land had to offer was on display. And of course, the food. Every mouth-watering spoon was scintillating and delicious, and it was very generously distributed. What does Olandiwo mean to me? Well, as an Igbo person who's out in the diaspora, it gave me especially an opportunity to rub shoulders with my peers. It's not something I get to do all the time here in Los Angeles, California, where I'm based. It also gave me a chance to hear what was happening with our change makers and our most innovative leaders and some of the ideas that are floating around. And not only through presentations and workshops, we actually had a chance to sit down and discuss all of these things. The next Olandiwo will no doubt be bigger and brighter, more international and local personalities, including people like me who are based here in Hollywood, as well as more young inventors and more like-minded people who we can have these conversations with and form friendships and long-lasting relationships. Igbo people are innovative and entrepreneurial, it goes without saying, and part of our entrepreneurial spirit sometimes is that we make our plans, we do our best to execute them, but sometimes we come across these roadblocks. And when we do, we don't just give up. Instead, we find creative solutions to overcome them. Some people might say some of our solutions are too creative, but it remains a fact that necessity is the mother of invention, and that's perhaps how our innovative nature and our entrepreneurial spirit go hand in hand. And why should everyone attend the next Olandiwo? Well, as an Igbo person, it will be a rare opportunity to just celebrate Igbo culture and your fellow Igbos and all the positive things that they're doing in the world. As for non-Igbos, it's also a chance to allow you to get some insight into some of what we do when we're together, as well as hitching yourself to people on the rise. A chance to invest and collaborate with Igbos who are creating things that will not only benefit Igbo society, but also the wider world. So you better be there.